Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 13th tutorial of Power BI. In previous class, we have mostly covered all the topics of Power Query Editor, and we have done a lot of transformation with the help of Power Query Editor. And finally, we have to load the data into the Power BI desktop. So before start this tutorial, I would like to remind you the process of report building. So let's go to the next page and review the process. The first step of the report building is extract, which means we have to extract the data from various sources. So we have extracted the data from Excel file. Now the second step is transformation, which means cleansing our data with the help of various features, which we have studied in Power Query Editor. And after cleansing all the data, the next step is to upload the data into Power BI desktop. So we have covered these three steps of this process, which are extract, transform and load. This process is known as ETL process. So now come to the next step of the process, which is data modeling. Now we will study step by step of this concept of data modeling. Firstly, I clear the definition of data modeling. Data modeling is nothing, it's just basically use of creating relationship between the tables so that we can get the right output. So I have uploaded 3 tables are here, done with all the transformations in Power Query Editor. So firstly, we will understand the data set. So go to this first table, which is country and state, and go to the data view. So here guys, we have 4 columns: sales ID, country, state and region. And we have a unique list of sales ID, which is start from 1 to 10. We have no repeated value in this sales ID column. Now go to the next table, which is product table. And again we have 4 columns here: sales ID, product, product color, country. And again in sales ID, we have a unique list of sales ID. There is no repeated value in sales ID column. And now come to the last table, which is sales table. And we can see here guys, we have a list of columns where sales ID is written here multiple times, like S02 is written multiple times and S08 is written multiple times, which means S02 is selling bread in India as well as sells chocolate in Pakistan. And the same way, S09 is selling fruit cake in India and as well as selling pastry in India. So in this way, we have a multiple sales ID in sales column. And if we have more than one value in column, we can say it's a foreign key guys. So here is a concept of foreign key and primary key. And if we have more than one value in column, so we can say that it's a foreign key. So here is a sales ID column, which is foreign key because there are multiple value written in a multiple time. So let's go to the product table and you guys can see, and here sales ID is a primary key because all values are unique, no value is repeated under this column. So please keep in mind, because in our upcoming videos, I will use the concept of foreign key and primary key terminologies. So SQL guys are very well aware about these terminologies. If you want to study in detail about this concept, so please go and Google this concept for better understanding. Now go to the modeling view. And we can see there are 3 tables with showing no relationship in the tables. Now I have created one visual here to make you understand this concept better. So let's go to the visual first. And we guys can see here it's displaying incorrect values. It's showing here total sales for all the product, which is 2100. Because we have picked product and sales ID from product table. Let me expand this first. And sales from different table. So here guys, data modeling is come to the picture. Now go to the data modeling view and we have 3 tables. So firstly, I'll create a relationship between product and sales table. So what we need to do, we need to identify the same column between product and sales. And we can see here guys, sales ID column is common in both the tables, which is product and sales. So what we need to do, we just simply go to this column and drag and drop here in sales ID. So here we can see we have created a relationship between these two tables. This one is represent we have a unique value in sales ID column, and this star represent we have a multiple values of sales ID column in sales table. So let's go to the product table, and we have all the 10 values are unique, which means sales ID is primary key in product table. And in sales table, sales ID has entered multiple times, which means many salesperson sales many product, and this column we can say as foreign key because multiple records are here in one column. And now go to the visual. So you guys can see here are all values got correct after creating a relationship. So I hope you guys have clear with the basic understanding of data modeling, and in our upcoming tutorial we will study more about the concept in detail. If anyone has any doubt in the concept or any other doubt in previous concept, then please mention in comment box. So I will definitely try to resolve it out. So stay tuned with us and please support this channel and share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. And don't need to pay anything to anyone. We will cover each and everything with interview preparation. So thank you so much guys. Kindly support this channel and keep share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys. And I have also provided the link of this file in the description box. So please go there and download it and make more practice as much as you can.